This video will introduce you to the latest feature of Garmin Smartwatches, the Sleep Coach, designed to help you improve your sleep quality. In simple terms, Sleep Score measures the physiological changes that occurred during your sleep last night, providing insight into the quality of your sleep. Sleep Coach then evaluates your overall well-being and offers sleep time recommendations. Your watch initially suggests sleep time based on your age and adjusts it further based on your sleep and activity, HRV status, and naps. Scrolling down, you can see how these four factors individually increase or decrease the recommended sleep time. The watch detects naps based on heart rate, breathing rate, and movement, but only outside the default sleep time of 3 hours. If your watch doesn't detect your nap, it could be because it was too short or not relaxing enough. To minimize watch disturbances during naps, press and hold the upper right button to enter the controls menu. And activate sleep mode. This puts your watch into do not disturb mode and conserves power. Now, with the help of the Sleep Coach, you can better understand your sleep needs. Make sure your watch is updated to the latest software to access this feature. For more information, visit support.garmin.com.